Hello, you lovely people. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a fresh new series and a fresh new content exclusively for you guys. Once again, welcome back to MC Punya. Firstly, I want to thank each and every person who gave out their genuine feedback for my previous video. Thank you so much, you guys. Your each and every feedback is taking me one step further into perfection, which I am truly loving a lot. And as you have already seen the title of today's video, it's going to be about passive income. There is this video which I had put in my Instagram IGTV regarding things you can do and make it feel like a weekend. In that, the first point which I have told is research about passive income. This point I stressed a lot because the pandemic has brought all of us in such a condition where we are at stake, and this point where we cannot depend a single source of income. So that is the time where I came up in spreading my knowledge to many people about passive income or freelancing jobs. So seeing this video, quite a few people asked me in Instagram if I can give more insights on passive income. So that is where I am coming up with this video. So ladies and gentlemen, watch the video till the end. I am so sure that you will come up with one or the other idea or one or the other source of income flowing into your life. So without further ado, let's quickly dive into the topic. Passive income. If you ask me what is passive income, let me give you a clear picture of what income is all about. Income is divided into two parts, that one is active income and one is passive income. Active income is a kind of an income where you will be doing some or the other work where there will be time and energy involved in that particular work, and where you'll be paid for that investment of time or energy. Passive income is a kind of an income where you'll be earning regular income, wherein you'll be investing regular to no efforts in getting a constant flow of income into your life. All you need is time, initial investment, or efforts, maybe all the three. Let me quickly explain you the different ways to generate a passive income. Did you know that you can make money by writing books? You can tell me, Punya, you're really crazy. Writing books, it'll take a huge background research, huge effort, a huge team, and a very big publisher. How can we make money? If you ask me, I'll tell you, this is the era where you can make money by writing books. Not literally a hard copy book, but this is e-books. So yes, you heard me right. E-books are making a lot of money these days, where people are gradually shifting from hard copy books to e-book, where they are loving Kindle more than a book which is held in our hand. So you can publish your books in platforms such as Amazon Kindle, CreateSpace, Smashwords, iBooks, or even Draft to Digital. There are many more platforms as such. So all you need is the initial efforts wherein you have to put and use these platforms to publish your ebook. But trust me, every time a person buy your ebook, you'll be paid for it. So maybe it is today, tomorrow, or even after 5 years, your ebook will be safe in the hands of these publishers, and you will be getting paid every time or every person or every milestone it crosses. If you tell me writing books is very hectic and you wouldn't be able to invest so much of time in writing books, but you have passion towards reading and writing, I would tell blogs are your thing. You can start writing blogs and you can become a blogger in anything you're passionate about, like food, travel, lifestyle, motivation, anything, any genre. You can choose any niche you want, and you can monetize using Google AdSense, and you will be paid on regular basis. So blogs are definitely going to be the next generation. So you can use Blogger, which is a Google product, or WordPress, and you can start blogging right away. If you're creative and you can put in your creativity in designing anything, I would definitely tell to start selling them online. Yes, there is a very huge platform where people are buying different source of freelance designing online, and every person is purchasing your design, you will be paid for it. There are so many platforms wherein you can sell your designs like Etsy, Fiverr, or Teespring, or even, as I said previously, there are a lot many bloggers who would love to keep their blogs really colorful, really eye-catching, so that people can get into their blog and check on more. So I can start building up blog themes and sell them on WordPress. Creativity has a huge market on online, and do not forget, online is going to be the next generation, and definitely you should use this opportunity. So the next stream of passive income has to be my favorite, because that is freelancing jobs. Freelancing jobs has been my favorite because I've been doing freelancing since 4 to 5 years and I've had an amazing experience with that. Freelancing is one such amazing job that anybody and everybody can do. Like, there are so many websites right now wherein people are hiring for hourly basis, and you'll be getting paid for hourly basis. So you can turn your hobbies or interests into another source of income. Yes, you heard me right. So there are like so many platforms such as freelancer.com, peopleperhour.com, guru.com, outsourcely.com, and many more. So wherein there are like lot of tasks, people around the world are looking for professionalist or perfectionist in this particular task, and they are paying in dollars. So you can just spend an hour a day or maybe an hour a week and start counting money in dollars. The next stream of passive income is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a kind of a marketing where it is getting trending in recent days. So all you got to do is, if you have a really good network or marketing skills, affiliate marketing is definitely for you guys. So you will be earning lots of money by just promoting other brands or bringing sales to them. It is that simple. You bring such number of sales wherein you'll be given so many percentage as your commission for giving them sales for particular brands. So this percentage varies from brand to brand and product to product. The next one is audiobooks. So if you have a really good hold over your language and if you have a very good voice, all you have to do is just invest on a very good mic, and trust me, you will enjoy the journey of voicing over. As you can see, people lack a lot of time and a lot of patience in these days. So audiobooks have become the new trend. Also, who would like to learn new languages, audiobooks is a very big thumbs up. You can earn a lot of money by just selling your voice. How cool is that? You just have to do some fine tuning with your voice, your language, and a really good mic, and you're so good to go. If you think you're a very good content creator and you can inspire people, you can influence people, and you can create a new community with your content, I would definitely tell podcasts are your space. All you have to do is get them in audio format and post it on Spotify, podcasts, and there are many more platforms as such, and you can start earning as the traffic builds or when people start loving your content, and trust me, you will be earning in dollars once again. The next streamline of passive income. To create this source of income, you would need some investment, some minimal investment in the beginning. That is, you can start renting vending machines. There are like so many popular locations in our community, such as schools, gyms, shopping malls, public places, colleges, and many more, wherein people are installing vending machines which can provide healthy snacks and drinks to the users. So this is becoming the new trend wherein you can start earning a really good sum money by just investing on the vending machine. expected. So yes guys, I hope you liked all the points which I told you regarding different streamlines of passive income that can be generated. So let me know in the comment section below which streamline is suitable for you, or let me know if you have any other idea. That will be so great for people who would love to learn more about the passive income, and I hope this video helped you a lot. So do not forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the like button. Drop in your valuable comments in the comment section below. I would definitely love to read them. So once again, we'll see you next week with a fresh new content and a fresh new video exclusively for you guys. This is once again signing off from MC Punya. Tata, bye bye. Have a fantastic week ahead.